So here I have the new Nintendo Switch. This is the one with the improved battery life because the CPU and GPU have been made more efficient. And you can tell it's this one because it has the all red box. So this is the new version. The model number is very similar to the original Switch, HAC-001, but this version also has 01 at the end. And what we'd like to do in this video is just quickly show you the box and then show you what's inside the box. The Nintendo Switch is going to look the same, and I'm sure the contents are much the same, but if, like me, you are buying or have bought the new version, you would probably want to know what is inside this box. So this video is a simple unboxing. So you open up here, you can see just instructions how to get started. And here we have the Switch, and we have the Joy-Con controllers. So you've got the kind of red, neon red there, and then we've got the neon blue here, and these will attach to the tablet like so. So the left hand side here, we've got important information, just telling you about how to use the Joy-Con controllers, etc. We have an HDMI cable. We have the UK 3-prong adapter to USB Type-C at the end. Here we have the Joy-Con grip. So you can put the Joy-Con controllers in here and use it like a regular controller. We've also got the attachment. There's one attachment there. I think there's one at the other side. Yes, there is. We've got the attachments here for the Joy-Cons, and essentially what these do is they can clip onto here to make it more like a proper controller when this isn't attached to the actual dock. And finally, we have the Nintendo Switch dock. 2 USB ports there. If you open this part, you will see the AC adapter, the power in, another USB and HDMI out, and you can feed the cables through there so that it's all neat at the back. So I now have everything out of its bag, and I must admit I do like the way that Nintendo doesn't stick everything down. It's not a pain to get into everything. They just fold the bags over, so you just open it up and slide it over, which means that if you're putting it back into the box, it's quite simple as well. And here I have the Nintendo Switch itself, and I'll attach the Joy-Con controllers. Looking at it, it looks identical to the original version. The key thing to note is that all the changes are in the inside, but there is a note at the back here. If you look here, if it goes in focus here, you can see that the model number is HAC-001 --01. And that is important to note, certainly if you're buying secondhand or if you're buying from a store and you're not sure if they are giving you the correct version. So, just to quickly run down what you get when you buy the new Nintendo Switch. You get the official Nintendo Switch dock, you get the Nintendo Switch tablet, you get the Joy-Con controllers, you get the comfort grip for the Joy-Con controllers, which you can slide in like so. Like that. You also get the manual, you get the AC power adapter that has Type-C charging port at the end, you get an HDMI cable, which is officially branded Nintendo, and you get the Joy-Con straps. And you can use these. These are very useful if you're playing in 2-player. So, to attach these, see there's a little plus symbol there. You can put it, and you want to go plus to plus, like that. Now there is a little locking mechanism at the bottom here, and if you lock that, you're not going to get it out even if you push the button at the back. So you have to make sure that is unlocked, and then you can slide it in and out. Same situation here, minus to minus, and it locks in. But again, make sure that is locked. If it's locked, it doesn't move. There we go. Wasn't moving there. So I'll attach this back up just now. Have we got any power in it? Yes, we do. That was something I was actually curious about, because sometimes, you know, if you're buying a phone, if you're buying any kind of technical device, any kind of any kind of tech really, sometimes you get power, sometimes you get 30% power, sometimes you get a really good charge. But when you open your Nintendo Switch, when you unbox it, and when you put it on like this, this is what you will see. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this look at the new Nintendo Switch, the one with the improved battery life. I will do another video. I've got a screen protector, but what I want to show you is the fact that I've got a slimline case. So I want to show you that in a separate video. But until then, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys have got a better understanding of what you get when you buy the new Nintendo Switch. And until next time, take care.